Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get Christmas font and Christmas element for our Christmas video on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to click on video and then select new. And I'm going to add background for my video. I'm going to add an image from my gallery album. Okay, for example, I'm going to add an image from this album. Wait guys, I'm still selecting the background. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the canvas. Wait, alright, and then I'm going to add Christmas element to this project. So we're going to go to the PIP and then go to the InShot material to get the Christmas element. Here you can go to the atmosphere category. Then you can scroll down until you find this Christmas element. This one. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, and I'm going to extend the image. Okay, and let's see how it looks. I think I need to zoom in again. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, then I'm going to show you how we can get the Christmas element for our video editing. We can go to the text and then I'm going to type in Merry Christmas, for example. Okay, then we can go to the font and go to this shop, and I'm going to select fancy, and here you'll be able to get the Christmas font. You can either select the winter path or present snow, and I'm going to select present snow. We can click on free unlock, and I'm going to download the winter path as well. Okay, go back to the shop and fancy winter path. Okay, and then I'm going to apply the font to my text. Okay, I'm going to select the present snow, and this is the result. And you can animate your text if you want, just like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Christmas font and Christmas element for our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!